Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show how I load my film into 35mm film camera. To get inside the camera, you pull the knob up and you will open the back of the camera. Then you just take your film out and you put it inside. Let's do it. Get the film and then you will see there is a feeder that is longer at the edge. That's it. This is how it should look like, and that bottom of the camera, it goes inside the first here. Then you just hold it a little bit, roll and press it down, but so it's a bit tight. And the feeder goes inside the pull-up spool. You just put it inside and then you kind of wind it up. Once you wind it up, the teeth should grab the film, so you make sure they are sitting properly in. Maybe you need to adjust it. This is how I did. I didn't need to adjust it. I need to adjust it a little bit, so I did. And then once you've done it, you see it's kind of tight, then you close the camera back and you lock it in. And then you wind it up 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then it's done. So you can ready for shoot. Please subscribe for my channel and like this video if it was helpful, and write any comments if you have any questions or anything.